This is the item that we'll be actually changing. It's called the Euro cylinder in these cases. First thing we need to do is remove it from the door, and to do that it needs to be in the open position. The first thing to do is identify the securing screw, which is in line with the bottom of the cylinder. You'll need a cross-headed screwdriver to actually undo the cylinder. Simply unscrew to its fullest extent. Some of these are quite long, so you might go for quite a while. And remove completely. This is where you'll need the key for the house. Insert into the cylinder and rotate for about 20 degrees, and then you will get to extract the cylinder. What you're actually doing when you're rotating the key is hiding that cam into the cylinder so that it will come through the hole, and then simply that's removed. Take this away. If you find that once the screw is removed and you've turned the key but you can't get it out because it's stiff, simply try loosening the screw handles, a couple of turns on each, just so it removes the tension from the cylinder, and then you'll find that it'll come out very easily. Right, here we've got the cylinder that you've just removed from your door. Now the important part now is to make sure that you get the correct size cylinder. As you see, we've got an offset. This side is bigger than this side. Lots of patio doors and UPVC doors are of various thickness, so you'll have to actually measure from the centre of this hole to one of the edges. So if we place the ruler from the centre of the hole, you will see that that is a 45 millimeters. And then we do the same the other way, from the centre of that hole to that side, and you'll see on this side it is 40 millimeters. So that cylinder is a 40 by 45 millimeter. So now you know the size of your cylinder. All you've got to do now is log on to my website and order from the caption below. As you can see, there's various different sizes and measurements for each types of doors. What you need to do is take the cylinder out of each door that you want to replace the cylinder with and measure those as well, and send me the details. Don't worry about which side it is, whether it's the 45 or 50, because all you've got to do is fit it the correct way round when you're placing it back into the door. And now that you have all the measurements of all the locks that you want to change around the house, simply order these cylinders from that sizes from any of the main suppliers. However, I would like you to order from my website, and if you quote this order number that's shown below me now, this promotional code, I will refund what you paid for this video off the price of the cylinders.